What's going on YouTube? We are back with another video and today's gonna be a good one. Today I actually got a car mod for you guys. Now this has been something I've been wanting to do for my car for a very long time, but I've been putting it off for timing and hella other reasons just for a while. But today in this video I'm actually gonna go ahead and get it done for you guys. Actually for myself too, but I'm gonna go ahead and record it so you guys can see how that process works. Now I got it right here. It's all in this box and I'm about to go ahead and get it installed into the car right now. And then I got a couple other things with me so that I can get everything done. I got this like 3mm double-sided tape, rubbing alcohol, and a little cloth just to clean up everything and make sure it's gonna have no dirt or nothing. And I'm just gonna use this extra tape. I might need it to hold up the lip splitter. So I'm about to go outside right now actually. I'm about to go out. We're gonna get this installed real quick. It's actually getting ready to rain. It might possibly rain, so I don't know what it's gonna do, so I'm actually gonna try to get out there and get it done quite quick, but I want to still bring out the camera and record something if I can, so I'll be staying tuned for that, and I'll click on record when we get outside. Alright y'all, so as you guys can see, it's a whole other day. I did get it installed. I stopped recording on that day just because it got way too dark and it actually started to rain, so I wanted to just make sure my camera didn't get messed up or nothing, but I did bring it out today. It's been like kind of crazy weather. It's been like raining and then not raining, but I did bring it out today because it's the best kind of day we do got. I'm gonna show you guys real quick with the splitter on installed, just showing you guys what I think and giving you guys kind of like my little thoughts on how I feel this whole install went. Now, so pretty much just getting this one installed. I got this one off of eBay and it was only about like $100 or so. So definitely a fairly good deal for a little lip splitter. You guys can see it. It looks cool, and I'll make sure I'll put some little clips in real quick just showing it off what it looks like. Alright you guys, so as you guys can see real quick, I got it all installed. Everything went fine. I had to go ahead and actually screw in like 8 or so nails. I showed you guys that in the beginning. Everything went fine, just had to make some holes real quick in the bottom and nail them in. Now, I'm going to bring you guys closer real quick so you guys can see it, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick little overview of what it's looking like. At first when I had checked it out, I wasn't too sure on how I felt about it, but after a few days of looking at it, I could definitely say it looks better. There's only one little thing I actually got to complain about, and I'll show you guys that real quick. Now, there's nothing actually like that I dislike about the actual lip splitter itself, but you guys can even see it real quick right here. Like, I live in Sonoma County, man, and I've been driving down these dirt roads, and it's just been fucking up my black paint. So I got a ton of different little like chips and different things that's like fucked up on it, little shit here and there, but definitely having like, if you can get close enough to see like the carbon fiber, then you can see all these like little nicks and stuff that's in here onto the paint, and that's the only thing that I don't like about it. So I went ahead and I did order some little chip repair so I can get in here and get all these little pieces and stuff fixed up. So as soon as that comes in like a week, we'll get all these fixed up and fix up all the little paint and different scratches and stuff that's going on over there. But overall, y'all, I'm super happy how it all came out. The install was super easy and simple to do. I had to go ahead and make sure I put like some double-sided tape on a few areas on it just to make sure everything went well. Now, when I did this, I went ahead and actually put this on, and then I've changed out the headlights. Shout out to that one guy in the comment section who was talking about it. I told you I was gonna get it, got it done. So now these big lights right here actually match like the daytime running lights down here, and it actually looks super sick. And glad how that all came out. I don't really think I need to go ahead and change out the whole headlight. It's fine for me, but I just got the new bulb, so now they're all white and stuff, and they look pretty cool. But you guys tell me right now how it's coming up on the screen. Do you guys like the new splitter? Do you guys want me to do something else? Comment down below. I'm gonna get the whole new trunk spoiler coming up pretty soon, so just stay tuned for that. And once we get that one installed, I'm telling you the whole car is gonna be a crazy different build, so stay tuned for that when it's coming.